Hey everyone! Today we're going to make a tomato soup with rice noodles. The variety of ingredients used here are just what we had in the house, but trust me, it turned out great. So let's get started cutting the vegetables. Once they're all cut up, prepare the pot with some spices. The spices we used here are ginger, star anise, cloves, cardamom, and cinnamon. Put some oil in the pot and toast them for a little bit before adding the mushrooms, leeks, and onions. Stir in the rest of the tomatoes, carrots, and celery. Make sure to add enough water to cover the vegetables and let it simmer for a bit. Once the vegetables have softened up a bit from cooking, add in some chicken stock. We use chicken bone broth from Costco. While the soup is boiling, prepare the noodles. Finish the soup off by adding some red boat fish sauce, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Make sure to taste the soup and salt it to your liking. Cut up some cilantro and green onions as a topping for your noodles. And add a hint of yuzu for that extra brightness.